Hey there skincare enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we are unraveling the secrets of youthful skin, and let me tell you, it's going to be a game changer. We're talking about the hero of anti-aging, retinol. Yes, that's right, the ingredient that's been a buzzword in beauty circles. And guess what, you can harness its power right from your home. So let's dive into the world of retinol and learn how to create products that you will make you say expensive brand. Ooh, let's break it down. Retinol is essentially a form of vitamin A, a powerhouse in tackling fine lines, uneven skin tone, and giving your skin a radiant glow. But here's a twist, it's not about just layering it on, it's about smart and safe usage. If you're new to retinol, here is the golden rule. Start low and go slow. This potent ingredient can be shrunk for first-time users. So beginning with a low concentration and gradually increasing the frequency is key to avoiding irritation. Now for the fun part, making your own retinol serum. You won't believe how simple yet effective this recipe is. Retinol vitamin A powder 0.5 gram, the star player, rosehip oil 20 gram, and nourishing carrier oil that complements retinol. Vitamin E oil 2 gram boosts the serum's antioxidant power. Aloe vera gel 10 gram for a calming touch. Distilled water 66.5 gram, the base of your serum. Natural preservative like leaf cider liquid 1 gram to keep your serum safe and effective. Here is how to whip it up. Kick things off by mixing the retinol powder with rosehip oil. This helps to dissolve the retinol evenly. Add in the vitamin E oil and aloe vera gel for that extra skin-loving goodness. Gradually incorporate this blend into the distilled water, stirring continuously for a smooth mix. The final touch, add your preservative following the recommended usage rate to ensure your homemade serum stays fresh and effective. Pour this magical concoction into a dark or amber glass bottle to keep the sunlight out and efficacy in. Remember, the best time to apply retinol is at night, as sunlight can reduce the effectiveness, and never skip the sunscreen during the day, as retinol can make your skin more sun sensitive. And yes, you just created a high-end retinol serum without a high-end price tag. Consistent use will reveal brighter, smoother, and more youthful looking skin. For those eager to dive deeper into the world of cosmetic formulation, visit stablecosmeticformulas.com. They are your go-to resource for stepping up for DIY enthusiasts to pro formulator. Before you go off to create your skincare masterpiece, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We've got loads more insightful, practical beauty content coming your way. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, great skincare is not about exploring home brands. It's about understanding what your skin needs and giving in just that. Embrace the journey, experiment confidently, and let retinol work its age-defying magic on your skin. Until our next beauty adventure, keep glowing and loving the skin you are.